Meow.
Hello, this is Craig from Captain America Projects. Thanks for joining us today. We're going to try to show you how to build a nice picket fence while saving a lot of money and maybe a little bit of time. So vinyl fencing can be rather expensive if you do it the store recommended way, which is to buy the special vinyl posts as well as special bracket systems to install the picket panels to the posts. So what we're going to show you today is how, instead of vinyl posts, just using some cheap wood posts, and that actually eliminates the need for the brackets altogether. So you save money on the posts and a ton of money on the brackets, which, depending on the length of your fence, can end up saving you several $100s. So come along and we'll show you how we did it. So once we had our line to make sure that the fence is going to be straight and our marks, we dug our holes, and then we went about 15 inches deep. These are holding vinyl panels, which aren't very heavy, and so we went ahead and did them about 15 inches, and then put our cement in. So you want to put a little in underneath so that there will be cement under the post, not just above it. So we're doing this kind of an unusual way. Usually you wouldn't put anything on wet cement posts until they're dry, but we're going to use these actually to kind of hold this in place, and then also that verifies as we go our spacing is correct. If we had an error, we'd see it instantly. So we're going to crisscross these end posts, and later we'll try to find some sort of cap for that. But so I got them squished in tight so the two crisscross. This one's going to be higher because this is kind of heading uphill as we go. So it's going to go up at the corner. All right, and then we can come down here. And now that that's in its permanent spot, and make sure that's straight, then we can make sure that the ends, see, now we can see that we don't have it in the right place. So now it's not too late to move it. Right about there, because we need the ends because we're just going to be putting screws through the ends of the vinyl. This is saving us a lot of money. We don't have to buy the specialty brackets and all the vinyl products that you normally need. So this will save you a lot of money if you just screw through the vinyl directly to the post. We've got old vinyl, they already have holes from their brackets, but you could just make your own holes, and you want it to meet about the middle of the post so that then the next piece has room to join there and screw it in. It's always good to stop from time to time and check the level on your posts. Make sure you're getting a good level post in there. Okay, so if you're going to do this in our unorthodox fashion, on the corner piece, you got to pull that one away so you can get to these screws, because once we screw that in, they're not going to be accessible. And I got to go in real carefully because these vinyls can actually break. Actually, I think I went in a little too much. Yeah, because it was starting to kind of buckle up here. Okay, so we got the corner put in. You see there was just enough space there to get the screws in to the wood, and we crisscrossed them, so the fence heading back is going to be a couple inches higher. See, we just had enough room to screw those in. We screwed those in first just in case we couldn't reach them, and then this way, once these are secure, because it forms an L here, it's going to be a good support for this. As you can feel, the cement's still wet, but this post is very sturdy already. And then that way you won't have errors in measurement, because then you can come check your next post while it's still wet and make adjustments if need be where these are going to join up. And now here's our finished fence. Very lovely. see the cement is set up real nice. There's our wooden posts, which we will be painting. We did some wood filler because some of them had cracks. We had a couple extra pieces that we didn't use, and we took the pickets off them and filled in the pickets on all of these, so they all have pickets because this was an old set and a lot of them were missing.